Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my eBay videos. Here's an example of how to remove negative feedback, or in this case, neutral feedback. The buyer had ordered something, then later they opened a payment dispute and I sent them their refund. Then 1 month later, he leaves me this neutral feedback saying he got his refund back, but something is funky with me and my phone number is listed as pissed off customer and I must be getting a lot of them. Now, I don't have any more feedback revision requests, so I can't send one to the buyer to ask him to change the feedback. We only get 5 per year, which can run out really fast. So the only other way is to contact eBay customer support and explain in detail everything and try to get them to remove it for you. I know feedback like this can be removed because the buyer wrote something that is not about the transaction itself, but some false accusation about my personal information, which is untrue. This point under eBay policy validates my position to get it removed. The problem is, not all eBay agents understand this, and I had to submit about 3 or 4 times to different agents to remove it, because each time they would tell me they found nothing wrong with the feedback and that it was the buyer's experience, so they won't remove it. One of them even said that the buyer was sharing their experience about the received item, but the item wasn't even shipped out to them because they opened a payment dispute and I sent them a refund. So this shows a lot of eBay reps don't even know what the heck they are talking about. So finally, after getting rejected about 4 times, on the 5th try, an agent saw my point and that I was correct. You can't leave feedback if it is not directly about the transaction itself. Making any personal attacks, accusations, claims about my personal information is not allowed on feedback responses, and it warrants a takedown. So if any of you got a feedback that sounds a bit wacky like this, contact eBay customer support and tell them it's against eBay policy to write feedback about something that is not related to the transaction or the experience of the transaction, such as spreading false information about you or your data. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask down below and I'll do my best to answer. I have 23 years of eBay experience, and if this was helpful, please don't forget to give a like, share, and subscribe to support me to make more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.